Guess where we are, y'all? What's up, little man? Don't walk in front of us. He thinks we're gonna feed him. Yeah, go nice and slow around. Yeah. What's up, little man? We don't have any food for you. Hi guys, David Fine here from Keys Moths. I'm down on Big Pine Key, and the Florida Keys Wildlife Society, along with the Florida Fish and Wildlife Service, invited me to come down and do a presentation, a public presentation on moths. We're here at the Wildlife Research Center, and we're going to, the Visitor Center rather, and we're going to do a presentation on moths. And we've got some mercury vapor lights set up, and we're going to show some people, hopefully show some people some moths, so check it out. What's that? It's a great crowd. Great crowd. Fantastic.
Lived in South Florida for 45 years, even though he doesn't look like it. Actually, he drove down today for this lecture from Fort Lauderdale. He's been studying butterflies and moths basically his entire life. He was, for the last 25 or almost 30 years, I guess now, he's been involved in a survey project for the moths of the Florida Keys in conjunction with the Fish and Wildlife Service. He's identified something around 650 species of moths in the Florida Keys, and interestingly, he thinks there may be more out there. So, with a little luck, we might see one today. one of the missing 100. Right. But recently David's gone. I would say a little bit techie too. He has a YouTube channel, and you can get to it just by using Keys Moths as the enter. And I played around a little bit on that site, and it's really entertaining in lots of different ways, including all the natural history we'll get out of it. He also has a website, keysmoths.com, where you can see the pictures of all those 650 species of moths. So if you find one, you might help with your identification. So David has a real passion for educating, you, the public, and kids about moths and butterflies, and we're going to hear some of that passion tonight. So David, it's all yours.
Awesome. Thanks for the warm welcome, and I want to have issue with the person who coined the phrase moths. It's just an awkward moths. So yeah, it is a true passion of mine. Let's make sure my clicker works. Okay, good. Yeah, so we're definitely going to show you, in my slideshow tonight, we're going to show you some of the special critters that we have discovered in the Florida Keys, and there's actually a decent possibility that we'll find something new to the project. Maybe not necessarily new to science, but new to the project, because it seems like every time we put lights out here, we find a new species, we add a new species to that list. And so the project started back in 2002, and actually I think I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's go through our slideshow here today. This is my lovely family. My wife is back there. Say hi to Noemi, she's back there. She's
Hi guys, how are you?
And you can tell by but these are actually the same shirts that we were wearing way back then. Hers still fits the same. Mine is a little tight. I think somehow she's able to keep her incredible figure. But our kids are both, my son is about as tall as I am, and my daughter is about to graduate high school, so this picture is quite some time. But as you can see, this has been a family endeavor, and it goes back generations, because it was actually my father who was born in Zambia, Africa, and started a butterfly collection there with his brother, and that's who really got me into the whole butterfly thing. And I wound up being a biology major in college, and bugs have just always tickled my fancy. So I love doing life cycle work. Out of our 640 whatever species of moths that we have in the Florida Keys, probably only 150 or 200 of them we have confirmed documented life cycle work on. We have a lot of work to do. Tropical bug, this is one of 2 that have ever been found in North America, both on Big Pine Key. That's also a pretty decent sized moth, probably about a 2.5 inch wingspan. And this is a fairly new resident to South Florida, Xylophanes libya, very, very common in Central and South America, all throughout the Caribbean. Larvae feed on coffee, so they've taken up residence in the Keys. I found one on No Name Key. We found one in my friend's garage in Fort Lauderdale. And they found a few caterpillars in Treetops Park in Broward County. So they're around. They're probably eating wild. Good to see you. Yes, sir.
We close up shop, you know.
I missed your scene, but I have a question.
Oh, this guy just wants to be on film. He's on the wrong side of your camera, though.
That's great. I know. I was going to try and see if there's a way I could take a picture of him by reversing it. I don't think it works.
I don't think you can.
I don't either. But that's
Well,
funny.
that is funny.
Wants to be a star.
It'd be a great video if it was just his little face. Yeah. It's like it's the one that kept flying around like he was drunk.
Yeah, he's, this is our, let me see if it'll crawl on my finger. Probably not. This is our, yeah. Oh, there he goes. That's our poisonwood guy. Anyway. Right. You guys want to see an Io moth?
Oh, there we go.
There we go. See if I can get him to crawl on me. All right. There we go. There's our Io moth. Pretty cool, huh?
I was going to tell you a few years ago, I mashed a southern flannel moth caterpillar 3 times. You can see the imprint of all, but you can pet them one way. All the spines go one way. And
Yeah, you don't want to go the other way.
I put them in a jar and fed them. This one was.
See if I can get him to open his. There we go. Watch. Open up. Open up. Open up. He's a shy guy.
This one up here.
That's Mocus. Never mind. I thought he was rare. He's not. He's common. But this guy is Elucia, only Big Pine Key and No Name Key.
Oh, cool.
So that's a pretty cool bug. There's another one on the floor here. So if you want to get a close picture, this guy right here is camouflaged with the concrete pretty well. So
Yeah, this
neat.
one just.
Let's see.
Hey, you guys are gonna take home.
Oh yeah, man. The iPhones are pretty freaking cool these days. Oh, there's a cool one here. Check this guy out. This little white guy right here. He's a Florida Keys specialty. Yeah, it's like a lot of this stuff, we have no idea what they feed on. So these little white ones, we have no idea what the host plants are. So it's a mystery. Oh, there's remember I told you there was a brown one with the little black dots on its wings that made the Noctuid guy go crazy? That's him right there. Isogona scindens.
I wish I'd be able to remember all that, but I don't do Latin.
Yeah, well, that's 20 something years of project working for me here. So
I know you always got me with that. With
a dusky wing butterfly, skipper, right here. So just like we said, sometimes butterflies fly at lights as well. So there he goes. This one's got a very naughty name. It's
Is it on?
It is. Yeah, there's a lot of biting bugs.
It's scary and I don't touch it.
That's a smart thing. Get my wife on a video looking at moths. Isn't that cool? So everybody's gone, but here we are. Katie and Noemi and I are just hitting here looking at moths. So what do we got? We got, this is one of this.
So pretty.
Yeah, let me zoom in here. Watch
Olive.
this.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. As the camera focuses. Ooh. Ah.
It's like
Isn't that cool?
What is it?
It's a green geometric moth. We have, I think, 8 different species of those down here, and they all have different little markings. So pretty tough to tell them apart. That's cool. There's actually quite a few moths. For being, huh?
And this little guy?
Let's see. That's Bernessia furva. He's a Florida Keys specialist as well.
Look at that pink shade of pink in there.
There's pink, and then we got our Io.
Oh.
You know the Io, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, buddy boy?
So pretty.
I love seeing you interested in bugs, babe. That's pretty good.
Hey, I think fishing and bugs, I have no choice.
You have no choice.
I have no
You
choice.
better just do
If
it.
you can't beat them, join them. Yeah.
Oh, here we got another one. Oop. He's got our orange hind wing. Anyway, well, he left. But yeah, everybody left, and so yeah, guys, everybody left. But here we are, just looking at bugs. We love it. So we had about 35 people in there.
What is that thing?
My wife just is. That is the Edwards wasp moth.
Wow.
It-
Guys went crazy on Sanibel after Ian.
Yes, they
must
did.
left it, like,
They defoliated all the big ficus trees, right?
They did indeed.
I remember.
I watched them do a lot of good work.
Oh, there's literally millions and millions of caterpillars of this moth defoliated the largest trees in Florida. It's pretty fascinating.
Oh, look at that one. What's that one?
That one, I forget. Elucia. Oh gosh, he's a big pine key special. Yeah. Only found these guys in Big Pine Key. No idea what they eat.
I just feel like the more I hang out, the more things I have to point out.
Yeah,
We're never getting
man.
out of here.
Nope. That's how it works. There's another Oh, is this? What is your name? I forget your name. The cool white geometric. Let's see, what are you? Little guy. Katie, you want to jump in here with me? You just hang out there and just. All right, so Katie is here with me, and we're ending our night. We had a great night. Katie, tell me, what are your thoughts on tonight's presentation?
Gosh, it was so fun. I learned so much. Did you know that butterflies are like squares? They can be a rectangle, but a moth can't be a square. You know, like a square and a rectangle?
Yeah,
A
see?
square can be a rectangle.
I
but
love
a
that.
rectangle
Bringing it
can't be a square.
right back to elementary.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I thought it was really cool.
That's awesome. But it was a good night. People seemed engaged and
Had a full crowd.
Yeah,
Everybody
man.
seemed really into it. Lots of little good questions.
the question and answer seemed like it was going to go on all night. So
I love an engaged community.
they were engaged. I think people learned some stuff. We came out. We saw some moths. We had an Io moth show up. Let me see if I can. Oh, the Io moth flew away. Anyway, oh, there we go. But
And I saw some returners from last year. They wanted to come back and see you again.
they wanted more. So yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And Katie, we'll see you again soon. The next time we come down and look at more bugs in the lower keys.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Got it.
Yay.